Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make whipped cream topping using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 cup of very cold, heavy cream, 1 to 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ensure your mixing bowl and whisk are also chilled. This helps the cream whip up faster and hold its shape better. This simple preparation sets you up for success. Now let's start whipping. Pour your cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Begin mixing on a medium speed, then slowly increase to medium-high. You'll notice the cream starting to thicken and become airy. Keep an eye on it. When you lift the whisk, the cream should form soft, gentle peaks that just barely hold their shape. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on your mixer. If you prefer a firmer whipped cream, continue whipping past the soft peak stage. Add your 1 to 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract now. Keep mixing on medium-high speed. The cream will become even thicker and more defined. When you lift the whisk, the peaks should stand up straight and hold their shape firmly. This typically takes another 1 to 2 minutes, but watch closely to avoid over-whipping. Your delicious homemade whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. It's best served fresh, adding a delightful touch to pies, cakes, fruits, or hot beverages. If you have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for about 2 to 3 days. This easy method ensures you always have a perfect, fluffy topping on hand. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.